Ang ating oras alas 11:18 na, Usapang Legal. Kasama ko ngayon sa ating Usapang Legal Friday edition, ang ating butihing konsehala, nagagat na pintas, Councilor Bethel Lourdes Lulu Tabanda. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kap Peter. Good morning, kanyayo amin. Naimbag nga Friday. Tayo amin. Friday manon, Kap.
Mhm.
Bigat-gat Sabado bakasyon.
Ba bakasyon na bigat. Okay, at para sa inyong mga katanungan naman kay Councilor, ma'am, paki-on. Para sa inyong mga katanungan naman sa ating puting konsehala, pakitext po lamang yan 0999-30-70649. At muli, babati po sa atin ang ating counselor. Kanina, hindi naka-on yung mic. Ma'am, good morning po muli.
Good morning, Kap Peter. Good morning, kanyayo amin. Lahat ho na nakikinig, nanonood. Good morning ho. Friday na naman. Bukas Sabado, bakasyon.
Yun, bakasyon bukas. So,
Yes.
na-miss ka namin nung last Friday, Ma'am Lulu.
Oo nga, medyo ang daming trabaho, Kap. Mahihirap pa na mga question, mahihirap pang mga issue na kailangan kong asikasuhin.
Ayun.
Sorry ha.
At pag-usapan natin ngayon tungkol dito sa PMA at sa ating business permit. At ma'am, paano yung sa PMA?
Kasi there are civilians who are residing in military reservations
Okay.
like Camp Allen, Navy Base, and others.
Mhm.
PMA does not allow the installation of internet services in these areas.
Mhm.
Example, sa Navy Base, nandun na daw yung mga equipment ng PLDT ready for installation.
Okay.
Hindi daw pumapayag ang PMA. So ang nangyayari is, hindi ho makamodule yung mga bata, virtual yung mga bata, di ba ngayon?
Oo.
Walang face-to-face. They cannot attend virtual classes unless they will use data which is unstable.
Mhm.
Yung mga work from home, hindi rin maka-work.
Hindi rin maka-work.
Hindi
Oo.
rin maka-work kasi nga walang internet services.
So, paano to, Ma'am Lulu?
So we filed this resolution which was signed by the mayor requesting PMA, payagan naman sana yung installation of internet services.
Mhm.
Of course, we understand na may concern din sila tungkol sa national security.
Mhm.
Pero siguro naman they can take ways and means to do something about it so that those residents in these areas, civilian employees, mga ganon, will be able to have naman internet services.
Mm.
So imagine the being handa maka-module, handa maka-virtual education because they don't have internet. Yung may sa kanukot nag-drop outon.
Tawon ti internet da.
Awan ti internet kat nangina kanumot no data ti usaranda santo unstable mo't lang iti data.
Mhm. So, doon sa resolution na yon, nakalagay na payagan ng PMA.
Sana payagan ng PMA. It has been signed by the mayor. Hopefully, the mayor will take this up with PMA para naman PMA will give some consideration and maybe take the necessary measures. Imagine in Navy base,
Mhm.
the equipment is already there. Pero they cannot install it because there is no permission from PMA.
Okay.
Next, Kap. SSS tatay iti
Topic.
yes no, topic
Oo,
no.
oo.
Ala, our pensioners, the senior citizens, are complaining
Okay.
not about SSS, pero about how to get their pension from SSS.
Anya ti
This
problema,
is
ma'am?
deposited in the banks,
Oo.
particularly two banks in the city, Land Bank and Union Bank.
Okay.
Ala, numakita mo't no aldaw ti pagkwa ti pensyon, nagatidog ti pila.
Iji bangko.
Iji bangko.
Oo.
Especially, there was 2 weeks ago, na offline ka no, nadadal ka no, di may isang ATM, Union Bank was only using one ATM machine
Mhm.
to service all these pensioners nga nagado. Naulaw-ulaw pa dagada duma,
Mhm.
because they were there daw since 9 o'clock, at 2 o'clock handa pa na danon jay ATM.
Mhm.
So we have filed this resolution requesting Union Bank and Land Bank to provide more additional facilities
Mhm.
for our pensioners and to see to it nga okay mo't dagijay ATM machines da. Yesterday I was in Union Bank and they were telling me they are doing something about it mo't. They are
Mhm.
requesting for additional ATM machines from their head office so that they will be able to service dagitoy pensioners.
Iso kayo di makikita nga pila ti Union Bank.
Kunak idi ano pila ti bakuna.
Wen, urisak kunak no bakuna. Apin ni pilpilaan da jay. Pension gayam.
Pension.
Oh.
Kasi many pensioners nanggugumot ti SSS.
Wen.
Ti kababaan nga pension ti SSS ka 2,500.
Okay.
Imagine, di jay laang tinamnamaon da. Iso nga no aldaw ti pag-release ti pension, many of them are lining up to be able to withdraw that amount.
Hmm.
Imagine 2,500, makipila ka from 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock.
Hanggang nga makapanganan ti lunch mo.
Naulaw-ulaw at agad do mga nakipila dyan.
Oh. So ngayon, ang kuan ng SSS maglalagay ng additional na
Hindi SSS,
ay
Union Bank.
Union Bank pala.
Yes, I
Okay.
talked to them yesterday. In fairness, they said that they are going to do something about it. They have requested nga ro their head office for additional ATM machines.
Mhm.
And I told them, provide mo the necessary seats, chairs. Tapnuhan da mga nakatakdor at the end of the line. Tanagatid dog santo nagbayag ti pag-uray.
Apay di pag-claim ti pension Ma'am Lulu kat kwa? No niya jay date nga nakakabili jay kat isu ti date nga
There
papanam.
is a date, fixed date nga iso, I think second week of the month.
So no kang mapan ti second week of the month awan ti maalam.
Haan, may deposito mo't kit di account mo.
Ah.
No, siyempre, kasapula nun.
One.
They need the money. So when it is the due date, they fall in line na. Pero actually, if you don't fall in line and you don't withdraw it that day, you can withdraw it naman on any other day because it is deposited in your account.
So pwede mong i-withdraw sa bank
They try to go to other
bangko mo.
banks.
When?
They tried to go to other banks. Pero there was a problem of connectivity.
Ah.
Handa ka no nga may withdraw in other banks, ijay na i-deposit ijay. Union Bank.
Vijay Union Bank.
Mm-mm.
Ah, okay. So hopefully by next month.
Hopefully.
Yes.
So I will again observe.
Oo. Kapag wala pa rin,
Ay,
kasaritan mo na.
ipatawag media council.
Ah, okay.
No awan man no kasi kailangan ipatawag media council. Kaakasimot dagi kabarkada nga senior. you just sikap talagang kasapulan ti kwarta.
Gawin nga ron.
Although it can be deposited in your account, they fall in line because they want to get it that day.
O rin no, 2.5 lang dito ang pension. Dakkel di
2.5?
papanan na.
When
Mabaling nga igatong mo ti agas, mabaling nga igatong mo ti bagas. Yung mga yun. Okay ma'am, dako naman tayo sa business permit. Oo.
Actually, there is a big problem regarding renewal of business permits.
Okay.
There are those who submitted their application for renewal several months ago.
Mhm.
They are wondering because in the past, 10 years every year, marin-renew.
Okay.
Apay ka nga tatanga tawon, hanga ma-renew.
Mhm.
That is their problem. When we checked with the City Hall, it looks like the applications are pending in the planning office. And in the planning office, gamin, they are looking at several things,
Mhm.
among which are, number 1, compliance with the zoning ordinance.
Mhm.
Compliance with the zoning ordinance. What it means is that you can only put up a business in an area which is classified as commercial.
Mhm.
But many business establishments, like in the barangays, are in areas classified as residential.
Mhm.
For example, yung sari-sari store,
Mhm.
adado yung residential.
Gawin.
So there are many businesses established in residential areas.
Okay.
Tata, kung nandiyan yung planning office, they cannot issue a zoning clearance because they are not in compliance with the existing zoning ordinance.
Mhm.
So, Konami, and at the moment, the planning office is revising, updating the zoning ordinance.
Mhm.
Pero up to such time that this has not been updated, handa makaalat ti business permit. And if you have no business permit, mabaling nga isarada tapos tong. Di ko asim mo ti tattao.
Oo. So, anya nga iti action ni Johnny Ma'am Lulu?
Well, the council is thinking is proposing a resolution nga temporarily ikanda pay laeng iti business permit dagay dati nga naikikan no ti problema laeng ket non-compliance with the zoning ordinance.
Ah,
Pero dapay may nga problema.
anya.
Awan ti building permit.
O, paano nga pala yun?
You know,
Hamon nga amin kada building permit na gamin.
to be able to get a building permit, the number one requirement is titulado di daga.
Awen.
Kat ado mo ti balbalay ditoy, nga titulado ti dagada.
Oo.
So you cannot get a building permit. Another problem is there are many buildings in the city, nga daanon,
Oo.
old buildings that do not have a building permit.
Hmm.
So they will not be able to get a business permit. Handa ma-renew ti business permit da.
Oo.
Uy, nag-research a Kap Peter.
Mhm.
At dangay tinakita nga Administrative Order number 70 series of 2009
Mhm.
which was issued by then Mayor Peter Ray Bautista.
Okay.
It is entitled Administrative Order number 70 issuance of a business permit in special circumstance.
Mhm.
Kunana ditoy. However, rules in obtaining business permit. However, the requisite of obtaining the approval of the building official shall be discarded in the following special circumstances.
Mhm.
Number 1, when the structure was built prior to the effectivity of PD 1096 or the National Building Code.
Okay.
Number 2, when there is a pending town site application.
Okay.
Number 3, when there is a pending application for a building permit. Number 4, dato iti mayat, when the applicant's business is a sari-sari store or a small-scale business.
Mm.
And number 5, when there is proof of ownership of right of possession over the place of business. In this respect, the fact that the applicant has not secured any building permit shall be properly indicated in its application.
Kat mabalinday ta Ma'am Lulu nga administrative order nga i-apply?
At dati naramid kumot nga proposed resolution nga isubmit ko into no Monday.
Oo.
Suspension of rules.
Mm.
May bagbaga, ipa-implementar mi pa dato'y AO.
Okay.
Nga under special circumstances, hanga masapol ti approval iti building official. In other words, hanga masapol ti building permit.
Ang kailangan di ayan.
One,
Oo.
I do not know exactly what will happen, but this is my small way of trying to help dagi agpapa-renew iti business permit nga awan iti building permit na.
Yun.
Ngam, hangko amo maaprobaran. Hangko amo maaprobaran.
Okay.
But I will try so that we will be able to help a lot of businesses nga hanga maka-renew ti permit.
Ti permit da.
Actually, ti pagtutungtungan dito'y renewal pa ti permit hanga new permit.
Oo.
Kasi di ko na kaming kingkakap, there are some nga 10 years nga every year renew iti permit.
Mhm.
All of a sudden now, handa maka-renew. So hopefully, this will help solve the problem of those who have no building permits.
Okay.
Barbarang akap.
Barbareng. So, mamontay no Monday.
Un, ta ipasok ko under suspension of rules. Tapno matulungan tayo Santo J proposed resolution pa nga authored by all kanyami tatay irarounda nga dagijay hanga maka-comply ti zoning requirement
Mhm.
pagbigyan pa up to such time nga rumar the updated nga zoning ordinance.
Okay. So, rayon tayo dito, mamontay no next week nga programa ta.
Barbaro. Tapno makatulong.
Kaya kabalawan tamat Ma'am Lulu, dagito na madamang agbuibuya, data ni Jensim, nice watching you, attorney. I watch also your FB live with Ikit kunano. A lot of info learn. Oo. Nag-live kayo.
When?
Mm.
Nag-live kami nga live streaming, Facebook.
Okay. And kay Ma'am Christy Balang na magagsabayo Kapen Councilor Ma'am Tabanda listening ko na naman ni Ma'am
Thank you,
Christy.
Christy.
Ma'am, meron pa ba tayong discuss dito before na dumako ako sa text?
Dijay, santo Jay Maysa. Yesterday, nag-seminar ti aming nga barangay.
Okay.
Simultaneous data ka pa.
Oo, idi kalman.
Di Kalman.
Oo.
They were oriented on how to make the barangay devolution transition plan.
Okay.
This is because I think we are all familiar with the Mandanas ruling.
Mhm.
That the Mandanas ruling apo increases the share of every LGU from the national government.
Mm.
Kasi dati-dati, iti share, iti LGU, barangay, city, from the national government was only based on the internal revenue allotment.
Mhm.
The collection laeng iti BIR.
Mhm.
Tata, ni Congressman Mandanas, na pan iti Supreme Court, nag-file ti kaso. Kuna na dapat, the share iti bawat LGU should not only be based on the internal revenue allotment,
Mhm.
but should be based on all the collections of the national government. Kat, nangabak ni Mandanas.
Okay.
Iso nga tata,
Iso di Mandanas ruling.
iso da di Mandanas ruling.
Okay.
So like the city, we will get about 1 billion.
Mhm.
1 billion ba di ay? From additional, from the national government.
Mm.
Each barangay yesterday was presented how much additional income they will get from the national government.
Mhm.
There are some barangays, the bigger barangays, ang kung nakita tikwa ti irisa na, pero the other barangays, kasi di barangay may additional 4 million. Oh.
Mm.
So every barangay will have a bigger budget for next year. So, but, umadungay iti budget ti city kan iti barangay. But, gaputa iti national, ti dakdakkel nga collection, they are also devolving
Mm.
several functions which were previously done by the national government, ipandatatta iti city kan barangay.
Mm.
So, umado ti kwarta, umadumati trabaho kan responsibilidad. Dijay iti effect iti Mandanas ruling. So nga yesterday, the barangay officials were oriented. Number 1, mano ti additional nga kwarta nga maalada. Milyon
Oh,
Oh,
million.
Milyon.
Oh.
In average, milyon. Number 2, kaputaw mo do ti kwarta nga ito ti national kanyada, anya nga iti additional nga trabaho mo nga ito ti national kanyada.
Ay.
So, ma-devolve mo.
Manayunan.
So they have to make a transition plan because under the guidelines from the national government, the LGU has 3 years to iso nga transition plan. The devolving of the functions from national to local should be implemented within a period of 3 years.
Mhm.
Specific example, Kap, tata. Nung makita yu, DPWH is funding panggap iti national roads. At the moment, DPWH is also funding the repair rehabilitation of city roads.
Mm.
In some instances, dapat iti barangay roads nga raramidan iti DPWH.
Mhm.
With the Mandanas ruling, DPWH will take care only of national roads.
Mm.
The city is supposed to take care of city roads. Awanon, ti expectaran tayo within 3 years, up to 3 years anya, nga ito nga DPWH tagaramid iti city roads. In the same way, ang kaamo no matumpal datoy, barangay roads are supposed to be taken care of also by the barangay.
Okay.
The repair rehabilitation ti barangay roads will now be a function of the barangay. Tadijay ti pangikabilan ti additional nga income nga maalada from the national government.
Di jay bang maalad ang mamlulong from the national government nga kwarta kat ko? Dumakkel mo't sweldo da?
Ah, Kastoy, the salary of barangay officials
Oo.
is supposed to be based on a salary grade.
Okay.
But unfortunately, some barangay officials are not getting the proportionate amount to a salary grade.
Mhm.
Why? Kurang ti pundo da.
Mm.
There is a guideline gamin that salaries are under personal services. The
55%.
barangay
Di.
can only use 55% of its budget for that.
Mm.
And it should be based not on the budget this year, but on the previous year's budget.
Budget. Okay.
So that even if there is a Mandanas ruling now, if they're already at the proper step itik salary grade da, handa nga maka-increase.
Mhm.
Besides, for the first year, 2022, the basis will be last year, 2021.
So, hindi pwede.
Awan ti ma-expect nga increase for 2022. But for 2023, 2024, mabalin to. In fact, I was looking at the figures yesterday. It is even possible that they will be allowed to hire additional personnel, but this will take place in 2023 or 2024,
Mm.
not 2022
So, 2023 to.
and 2024. Kasi
Okay.
dumakol to di 55% nga para personal services.
Mhm.
So mabalindan to hire into no 2023, 2024. 2021, awan pa.
Mabalin ba't nga ma-increase di Kwadan? Honorarium dan?
Yes, if
Okay.
they are not at the maximum na of their salary grade.
Oo. Wanda ta hanggang papada ti honorarium tatay.
Wala eh.
Di dyan ay basit ti budget na.
Basit,
Basit,
handa nga
okay.
ma-comply, ura no ibagada nga salary grade number 10. 10 sa no 13 iti kapitan.
Hmm.
Handa nga maala di jay, gaputa awan ti kurang iti pundo iti barangay.
Yun.
So hangag papada iti sweldo iti barangay officials.
Okay, Ma'am Lulu, ito, speaking of data internet connection, iti military camp like San Joseph, Camp Allen, and PMA Kias, dati sa rason di PMA nga national security, kung kailan pa itata nga peaceful nga awan ti gulo, winugubat, kat adakit diti security. What are they doing in the center of the city when they are supposed to be in the jungle to hunt for the rebels, insurgents, kunana? Isukit diti apan ko gwardyan ti tattao. Adda nawanan ti work gaput awan ti connection dati
Wen.
internet.
Paiso,
Adu ti affected ti klase. Dapi man gaput ti online classes awan ti connection. The soldiers are supposed to be in the territory to stand and defend and protect the people as well as our country. In fact, they're a threat to the community kasi isuda kiddi gapuna no ag-ambos when ogramit ti gulo ti enemy kat madami ti civilians. The PMA is inconsiderate at this pandemic.
actually, partially correct di jay. Like I said, mabalin mo ti agusada ti mechanisms
Mhm.
to protect mo lang di kwada di intelligence da.
Oo.
They can use mechanisms like a firewall and all that. Ngam hang kumaanga madamay mo ti entero nga komunidad. So nga kasayay ko na yu tatay, ada tinaawanan ti trabaho, takasano ka nga work from home nga. The other kasi call centers tata, from the home eh.
Hmm.
Handa nga mapapan ni call center rin. Work from home da nga talaga. Talagang maawanan ka mo, tati trabaho na awan mo ti internet mo.
Wanta
Sa
ka
tudagi-
maka-work from home inya.
Iso ti trend tata, the call centers, many of them, except the dadakol nga, the building da niya, the smaller call centers work from home eh.
Mhm.
The empleyado only go and report once in 2 weeks nga mga lasweldo and all that. Everything is done through internet.
Okay, kay 07 Ma'am Lulu, makinalaman ito sa ano ba 'yun tawag doon? Persona non grata.
Ah, yes.
Actually, di pala Friday nga text na dito yung makanakumay.
Oh,
May
ngati
panggap
text da.
ti persona non grata.
Ah.
Ati ko na dato apay no da bisita pastor kam di tabalay mo sa amon to ibagangahan ka nga welcome. Ganun ba 'yun? Kasla nga tituktukuyin na dayto
well,
nay.
you can look at it
You
in several ways.
okay.
Inimbitaran mi ni Attorney
Mayo.
Mayo. Ijay
Oo.
ti kahit na ibang inimbitaran mi.
Oo.
San tungan dama, ibagami nga persona ng grata.
Wen.
Tikwak mat dita, the reason why we invited him is because we wanted to have his side mat.
Mhm.
Due process.
Okay.
Kanarigat mo't ano ipersona ng grata mi nga hami pa'y nangugmot no anya tiket na nga ibaga.
Oh.
So, this is the reason why we listen to him. So nga no ko na yung nga inimbitaran mi, tapos mamaya persona ng grata mi, din nagugmimot ti side na.
Mhm.
We listened also to his side. Because it would have been worse if we declared him as persona non grata without even giving him a chance to present his side.
Bagyo yung benggit yata na
But take note
persona non grata.
that the declaration of a persona non grata is in a council resolution.
Mm.
A council resolution is supposed to express the will, the sentiment of the members of the council.
Mm.
So legally, it is not really binding.
Mm.
In other words, no kahit na nga sumbrok, legally, if he wants to enter, we cannot ask the police to stop him from entering.
Oh.
It is not legally binding.
So napapan si City Hall, hanyo nga maiparit.
Ay, City Hall sa baling nga istorya. Pero
Oo.
if he enters Baguio, legally, he cannot be stopped from entering Baguio.
Oh.
Only the court can order nga he will not be able to enter Baguio.
Di dyan ay trabaho na hang affected. No, dito yung bagyo magtrabaho.
Actually, when we were interviewing him, he was in Manila eh.
Mm.
He did not personally appear. I was asking nga about certain circumstances. Is it the security ay hinirda? Is it still operating now? Kasi there are gayang two security agencies.
Mm.
The security nga agency nga dati, santo nag-hire kanumot ni Attorney Mayo, it is sa baling security agency.
Oh.
So I was asking, anya nga, duwa-duwa ti gwardya ijay. Beneko.
Oh.
Oh, dijay. And are they still operating? To several of our questions, his answer is, he could not really tell us categorically no anya timang mangyari because he was in Manila.
Manila. Mm.
Manila, Zoom lang isuna. He was in Manila.
Yung bang tinatawag natin na persona non grata, kat ada ba iti limit na no manong atawan, manong aldaw nga
No, like I said, it is not legally binding. It is contained in a resolution. A resolution is an expression of the sentiment of the members of the council.
mhm.
So the sentiment mi, hami kayat kuma, nga may ditoy.
Mhm.
Di iti sentiment mi. Kaslamat ibalay mo mabali mo mat ibaga, hangka mabali mo may tibalay ko.
Ang
Kunam.
kasumsumrek.
Hangka nga sumsumbrek. Kunam. Kas dyan mo't
Ay kas di lang di jay.
Oh, ngam. No balay no sumbrak, mabaling trespassing mo.
Oo.
No public place, no ibagam, hangka mabaling o may ti Burnham hamo mabaling nga ibaga.
Mm.
Yes, because it is a public place. So the council resolution is an expression of the sentiment of the council.
Okay. Yun lang yun.
Yes, it is
Okay.
not legally binding. Nung umay ditoy, the police, the military cannot stop him from entering Baguio.
Ayun.
Pero si kamot imbagada lang nga ro doon hangda kayat nga umay katoy. Ipilit mo pa lang ti umay. So, it's up to him.
Nasa sa
Kaya-
kanya na yun.
Nasa kanya yun.
Okay.
If he likes to come, he will come.
Awanti problema.
Onti problema.
Okay.
Basta kanya, we have expressed our sentiment. Kasi ti Kwame, his coming here does not seem to have resolved anything.
Mm.
Di lang ti Konami. Notice hami nga dineclare nga persona non grata ni Attorney Rafael.
Mm.
We did not. Di ba?
Mm.
Ti kinuami kat ni Attorney Mayo. Because the reason nga inquiry niya is, what use was he here?
Mhm.
Kat hanmot nga na resolbar iti problema. Instead, iso natin nakikoordinate iti police nga sumbrek da iti 2:45 a.m.
Okay.
Kadwada pay isuna nga simbrek. So, di jay kami.
Okay. So ang ating oras, alas 11:49 na, nagpardas di oras. Kung ano ba dito, good morning ka, Attorney Lulu. Update please regarding market amnesty.
Ay, ada di guidelines nga naramid iti hangko basta ada guidelines nga pinirma ni Mayor hangko amo no sino nagpaarami di jay. But I was telling the legal officer who made it nga siguro we need to meet with the BCMA because there are provisions there which are not in accordance with the ordinance that we made. Kasi for example, the ordinance nga naramid may imbaga na nga no natay di nakanagan nga stall owner, the compulsory heirs can choose no sino ti ibagada nga agyan ijay basta isunat ti agyan ijay physically present.
Okay.
The guidelines ko na nga masapol nga compulsory heir laeng. So there are some issues that we want to raise regarding the guidelines. Pero I was told by the market office that they are now accepting applications.
Ngayon.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Nagabumad na ito kini 5-4 ko na handsome cup and beautiful Ma'am Lulu. Naimbag nga pangaldoyo, salamat ti usapang legal na makapa-inspire kan makaitati adu nga sursuro. Pa-spin ko madyapoy, lungay ban para kadatoy amin, permiti pudot ti init, ti unag ti greenhouse. Salamat, God bless, keep safe always, kunana.
Oh, keep safe too. Ayan na nga, greenhouse na yan na.
Baka awan mo timbaga na ma'am.
Oo.
Baka Trinidad. Okay. Ni for the 8 months, sir, damag mo man gayam ni Councilor, no kasat no gayam di dyan ay additional nga 1,000 des SS, kat malpas matan di term ni Presidente Duterte. Hanga na sungbatan ni Sir Christian Tatay.
Apay ngay.
Urayin tayo kano. Awan pa'y mat.
In other words, awan.
Awan pa'y. Dahito iti problema, ma'am, no kas pangarigan malpas di term ni Presidente, katahan nga na ikabil. Wino awan di jay. Kasat no nga di jay.
Ti basis nan sakot lintag mat. No ti basis na kat lintag, uray na awan ni President Duterte, masurot mat.
Okay.
So nga madan, I am really concerned niya. Like I was telling you, Kap. In SSS, the lowest pension is 2,500. Even if you are a top executive, presidente ti may sa kumpanya,
Okay.
no ag-retire ka, ti maalam nga maximum kuna jay guest ay tatay ni Christian, 19,000.
Maximum di jay.
Maximum. Presidente ka ti kumpanya, pension ka ti 19,000.
Ti kababaan 2.5.
2,500. So nga swerte akpay, ta part-time ak lang nga nagsursuro iti JBCF ko at adama ti SSS pension ko.
Manong egam ti pension nyo? Mabalin nga mama.
3,500.
Okay.
Agasam
Pwede na.
kap,
Mabalin
no hanak
diayet.
nga agtrabaho, no awan ti kwakot, no awan sa baling nga pension ko ti GSISD, agbiagak iti 3,500 a month.
Ma'am, diyan nga 3.5 aman nga diyan ay kat urayim latan nga may deposit di account mo.
Yes, may deep deposit to di account ko mo.
Urayim latan jayan.
Yes.
Okay.
Ngam no, kaya't kumot nga laon, on the day itself, makipila mo ta.
Kuna naman tayo tunay ni 41, good morning Kap and Ma'am Lulu. Concern ko naman po doon sa senior citizen office. Kasi napansin ko lang matatanda na yung trabahador doon. Hindi naman ako kontra na senior yung trabahador, pero kalimitan nagkakamali sila sa trabaho. Yung asawa ko, mali yung birth date niya na na-type nila. Ibinalik ng asawa ko para maayos po sana, pero sabi nila, okay lang daw yun, wala daw problema. Hindi po nila pinalitan, kaya yung mga ID niya doon, magkakaiba ang birth date niya.
Ay, kailangan ho palitan yun.
Okay.
Please go back to the senior center and tell them na sabi ni Councilor Tabanda, kailangan palitan. Because if you will file and apply for other purposes na ganun, if your date of birth does not tally, you will have to execute again an affidavit.
Okay.
Isupay mo't da jay. But your question is, apay nga senior ta da jay. Kasi ganito ho yun. In the senior center Ijay,
Oh.
we have an OSCA. This is, she is paid by the city. 10,000 a month honorarium laeng.
Tisweldo da.
Isweldo da inalda ay idi inalda dang agrip report yung tata pandemic twice a week.
Okay.
Then there are volunteers
Hmm.
I think 4 being paid by the city.
Upat nga volunteer.
Yes, they are paid on an hourly basis.
Okay.
And the ordinance we made says that they must be senior.
Okay.
Kasi additional, kasla incentive mo iti senior.
Okay.
The others there ho are not paid by the city.
Mhm.
They are officers of the FBASECA, the Federation of Barangay Senior Citizen Associations.
Mhm.
This is a private group which is being supervised by Oxwadu.
Okay.
The others there are being paid honorarium by FBASECA.
Mhm.
They are not being paid by the city.
Mm.
Iso nga dagi kay adda jay nga kwa, officers we no members iti FBASECA. But you can only be a member of FBASECA if you're a senior.
Hanggang mabalin nga no junior ka hanga mabalin.
Hanga mabalin. Kasi they are being paid honorarium by FBASECA.
Okay.
Dagi ag process nga iti booklet nga red.
Mm.
Santo di ag process iti cap.
Mm.
Dagi da duma jay bangir, bagi da iti baksmay,
Oo.
jay pang puninarya.
Oo.
So they are not ti baybaydan lang ti city ni Oscar santo di upat nga volunteers.
Nga volunteer.
Nga honorary per hour basis.
Okay.
Ngam correcti ko nam. Dapat handa nga kamali
Una.
And nung nagkamali da, they should correct it. So you tell them, you go back there and say, kunani Councilor Tabanda, correct nyo kano. Or
So,
you
katanday niya.
text me your name and a number, I will be the one to tell them to correct it.
Okay. Kini 67, good morning ka Peter and Attorney Lulu listening on the radio, Manangkora Binwick.
Hello, Manang Cora.
At kay 90 naman, Councilor, kasatno nga di agpapa-list ti apartment. We are praying nga include us. Tapno orehan nga kailangan ti building permit. Tarinyo business permit. Councilor, help us.
Depende apo, no kasano manong nga kwarto, no manong nga unit, data ipapalis mong apartment.
Okay.
No dakkel-dakkel mat, hanga kasalin sa ditoy. No basit, no may salang nga kwarto, mabalid siguro. Ngam no dakkel, haanon, i-require da nga talaga nga ag-building permit ka.
Kuna naman ti 48 Cap and Attorney damag miman kaslamano ti man ti sweldo ti kakapitan dito Bagyo kaslamano nga Cap and Attorney.
It
Okay.
depends. Ti
Depende.
kangatuan nga sweldo ti kapitan ni Irisan.
Wala ta di budget dakot kaya na.
Kaya na.
Wen.
Nga madadigay da mga kapitan, nga ti sweldo na lang kat 6,000 a month.
Wen kasjay ti during my term kasjay sweldo.
Oo.
Hanggang na nga nagbalin nga 8 sakto no nag-retire.
So, dati 6,000 a month.
Oo.
Dahil dumang kagawad, 5,000.
Di pa yung manay nga pamasahe nga mapanaglakad di papil.
So nga, basit matapo, ti sweldo da. So nga,
Madam Councilor, di ba pinayagan ti FP nga ijay pa'y unag ti kampo dati pagitakdaran dati tower cell site da? Salamat po.
hangkong amo no talagang pinayagan ti AFP isuda, basta ti concern mi lang tata, ipalubos da ang agkaroon ti internet.
Mhm. Kuna naman na ito ni 47, nasuday nga Maldaw Kap, Madam Lulu, anya baga po nga persona en grata ni Atty. Omar Mayo. Okay lang ma'am dito?
Kasi din explain ko tatay, the sentiment ti council is, his presence is not really needed because he is not able to resolve the issues here.
Dati tuloy na dito ma'am Lulu.
Mm.
Gapo ba ta binyangan na, jag tugaw nga GMD ta bineko, gamin pati di tabingget provincial board, kat kasjay matlang na persona non grata. Dadjay baka no ti rason, nga na persona non grata.
The reason the council here is because his presence does not help resolve the issue or the situation.
Okay.
Instead, the feeling me, he is aggravating the situation. This is why if you notice, we did not declare Attorney Rafael persona non grata.
Mm.
Hindi ba? Hamimot nga din declare. Kasi we do not want to be involved in the issue of who is the legitimate Beneco General Manager. Pero, no adala nga ro doon ni Attorney Rafael, apay nga dapay laang ni Attorney Mayo.
Okay. Wen, han nga kasapulanan.
Di ko namin nga kasapulan. Santo, siyak ti kwak ijay kat, he was the one who led the takeover, the entry into Beneco at 2:45 in the morning.
So, walang kinalaman nito sa GM.
Walang kinalaman sa GM.
Okay. Ang ating oras, alas 12 yung punto na. Overtime lang kami ng konti. Habol na lamang itong mga ito. Galing kay 5-8. Ada ba bidding ijay po pwesto ijay Block 4 and Hanger Market? Kan kaano ngay? Kan kasat nung nga makisali? Ada ba ka no bidding?
The bidding will only take place if the stall is declared as vacant. Pero no that the existing nga lease contract, when no the existing nga glaklako ijay nga legitimate, haan nga mabid dagita.
Han nga mabid.
Maamuan yun to the bidding schedule ta i-publish da datoy. Pero bidding shall only be done for vacant stalls.
Okay.
Dagi declared nga vacant.
Vacant. Ni 155 ko na Madam Lulukap, damag kaano ba nga may rugi ti rehab na data palengke ta maditi tsura na iraman data building ti di malanta. Pagbalayan ti utot kuna na kadwa naka-office di tagat attorney. Una yung tadi napanak nagpanotaryo nakitutak kunak niya Jelin Mabos hindi kitak nagtakalan nga utot kuna na. Morning attorney Modisto Andong, thanks sa notaryo.
Oh, ni Attorney Andong tag question when no iso na ti nagnotaryo.
Ni attorney Andong tinagnotaryo.
Oy, kaduwak data ni Attorney Andong.
Okay.
Anyway, ti kuana data is madama apo itultuloy ti P4 Selection Committee dijay pag-negotiate with SM on the terms and conditions for the rehabilitation of the market. Pero it still has to go through a process. Ada pa jay may bagbaga nga Swiss challenge. Ada pa jay mapanjay council. So nga, I do not know if it can be done before the election.
Okay.
In the meantime, tuloy pa jay palengke.
Tuloy pa dyan
Yung
palengke.
data ibagbagang nga ayan na ganad data nga build. Magsaysay, di magsaysay.
Di
It was
malanta
supposed
building.
It was supposed to be demolished idin. So nga the notice idin nga ikwati demolition. Kaso gaputa ijay market rehabilitation nga regat na isali data nga building iso nga hanga natuloy dijay demolition.
Dito yung old building na.
Yes, hanga
Oo.
natuloy di demolition. Instead, yung 20 million ko nga pang demolish kon pangaramit ti parking na realign para di Gibraltar Satellite Market.
Yon, binabati natin ang ating Vice Gobernador ng Benguet, Attorney Johnny Diwaswagis at Councilor Pancho Isnara naman ng Bukod. Ma'am Lulu, wala na po tayong oras. Baka dakay mo pa
Ay,
ngayon.
won. Apo, nakita yun, naka-uniforme akti Girl Scout.
Girl Scout, wen, kita ko tatay.
Siyak mat ati, Presidente, iti Baguio Council nga Girl Scout.
Ah,
Alawisan da kayo man amin, mga women, dita. Kasi nga mabalin ti lalaki kanyami. Kasla Boy Scout. Ada babae di Boy Scout.
Boy Scout, mabaling ti babae.
Won.
Di ya Girl Scout, ang mabaling ti lalaki. Okay.
Honorary member mabalin.
Mhm.
Yung mga active member iti Girl Scout. So nga, awisan da kayo man nga Girl Scout. Nagyadan anak da, a Girl Scout yan anak you. Ado apo ti maadal na no Girl Scout. Santo dagi adults, we are having a program, recruit kami iti adults to be the adult leaders in scouting.
Mhm.
So nga we are going to have barangay troops, patrols, ti adults.
Mhm.
Tapno adanto ti eventually no adanto dagay physical camping kadwaon tayo dagay ubing ag camping tayo mot nga adults. So we are campaigning for membership in Girl Scouts. Sapay kuma no Girl Scout kayo idea po di ubing kayo. Please inform me so we will reactivate your pagka Girl Scout. Oray no adult kan. Nalaka lang ti membership fee. 50 pesos, 60 pesos sa lang no ubing, 50 pesos no adult.
Mhm.
Allow with that, adamat ti basit nga mainayo ni Jai nga reimbursement of medical expenses, minimal amount, 2,000 sa 3,000, 4,000 no natay. And you will only pay 50 pesos lang a year.
Ti makatawan.
Ti makatawan. O, santo ada activities mo. Idi last Monday, Kap. The other Monday. nag-celebrate kami the 73rd anniversary of Girl Scouting in Baguio City, ijay City Hall, the flag ceremony. Ay, naglaing di ubing nga nagsao. So, nagayam scout leader ni Ruth Romero. She is gayam the student council president of UB.
Mhm.
So, in relation to that, Kap, ijay panggap the academic break.
Oo nga pala. Paano
Oh.
yun?
The city officials met with the student leaders and the school heads.
Okay.
We are amenable to an academic break. Siya personally, I am amenable to an academic break. But during the academic break, let us not leave the children to do their own thing. I am suggesting that the city or the schools or the barangays can initiate activities to help relieve the mental stress of children, of the students. Kasi, no awan aramidan tayo, ala, dagi lang ada kortana, ti mapanyag beach, dagi ada kortana, ti mapanyag kape-kape, kasanungay dagi awang kortana. So ako let us have activities on mental health. Tapos, siguro the city can organize tours, small groups.
Okay.
Ipantayo mo't around the city of Baguio, ag-tour-tour da. We know magnata. Activities such as that. We know TikTok showcase, talent showcase. We can ask establishments kasi dagita malls. Ag-sponsor da iti hanga contest. Tano contest, stress naman. Showcase of talents. Dagita man. O, di ba?
Hanga contest niya.
Hanga contest, tano
Okay.
contest, stress naman nun. Showcase of talents. O, we know virtual. TikTok showcase. Kita ko tatno adati entertainment, adati sabal, diversion, dagito bobing, tatno handa nga masyado nga ma-stress.
Oh.
In relation to that, Kap, into no Tuesday, adati pa seminar me for the women, di Kalipi, nga on mental health.
No Tuesday.
Mothers, para mental health. Tamon, dakol ti influensya tinanang. No tinanang kot maboribor, stress na stress. Entero nga pamilya, stress.
Stress wen. Peso din ay. Ma'am, hihabol ko lang dito ay. Kap interested nga Girl Scout adult. Anya tin number ni attorney. Paano to?
We have an office dita, Apo. Dita, Abay TBIR. When you give me your text number, my number is 0919-317-2616.
Ulitin taman ininayad ma'am.
0919-317-2616.
0919 317 2616.
Yes.
Okay. Yun.
You're very welcome.
Ma'am Lulu, alas 12:07 na. Makadakayat mga kablawan.
Aming nga Girl Scout, kalkalpas man. Santo Dage Women, see you on Tuesday. Dage senior citizens, ala, tatay ti deadline ti pag-submit yung ti application para tupad. Nuhang kayo makatupad ti senior no dati medical certificate na. No awan ti medical certificate yu hanga mabalin iti senior nga agtupad. Ngam ti instruction kanya yu nuhang kayo nga capable nga agtupad i-submit kayo ti substitute nga mangtupad para kanya yu.
Yan.
Thank you kini Congressman Go taintad namot nga slots dagijay para senior. Nuhang nga mabalin ti senior agito dati substitute tapno adamot kano iti kwarta iti senior pang Christmas.
Pang Christmas na. Okay.
Thank you, Congressman.
Okay, Ma'am Lulu Tabanda, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din ka, Peter. Thank you kanyayo amin. Sapay kuma, we continue to maintain health protocol kasi bumababa iti kaso iti COVID ti city. Sapay
Mukhang maganda
kuma,
yung
the
nabalita,
trend
oo.
will continue.
Oo.
Santa bakbakuna datata ti pediatrics, 12 to 17 years old. Ipabakuna yung isudan, Pfizer.
Pfizer ang bakuna.
Yes.
Ayan, okay. Ang ating oras, alas 12:09 na. Madaydayaw ni Apo Diyos iti dayto nga programa. Salamat siya pa siya. Diyos tiag ngina, kadatay amin, apada-pada.